Hey guys, it's Regina Perez Fitness, and I'm so excited that you turned to my YouTube channel for the ultimate booty band workout. Here are a few things that we will need: a great attitude, booty bands, yoga mat, and also subscribe to my YouTube for more awesome videos. Let's get started. This one is my favorite, ladies. If you want to lift that lower glute area, definitely do this one. Use the extra heavy one to get the most resistance while doing it. With this exercise, you really want to squeeze and then release. Squeeze and then release. You want to squeeze and put as much resistance as you can. That way you're breaking down the muscle to reveal a new tone and bigger bone. You made that look so easy. Thank you for watching my video. I have more workouts that you can do with booty bands. If you don't have any, the link is below and they can be yours in a matter of days.